y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sunny C, and as you can tell by the title, we are doing a good old review on this holiday fragrance festival little kit that Ulta had. It's bomb, y'all. Like, when I say the packaging is bomb, like, look at the box. It's pink. First off, y'all know that's my favorite color. It retails for $29.95, I believe, but it's really originally $60 or $50 value. What does it say? $65 value, I'm sorry. And y'all, I just love everything about it. So like I was saying, y'all, it comes in this beautiful pink box, and these are all the fragrances they have, and they do let you know it's 17, and that comes in the actual box itself, and it is a sample size, y'all. So don't be mad when you don't get the full size. Like, this is just a sample, but it's totally worth it. Now I'll flip the box over, and it shows you like all the fragrances that come inside the package. Like, they have everything. They have Ariana Grande, they have freaking Marc Jacobs, oh my god, Coach, that one smells so good. They have Dolce&Gabbana, they have, oh my god, they have pretty much all the top fragrances of that year. So I'm assuming that they come out with one yearly, one, like, you know, for the top fragrances of the year. Yeah, so I definitely looked up my boyfriend, his aunt had brought this for me for Christmas, so I was happy to, like, you know, review it and receive it, you know. So here I am opening up the box, just showing you all how they look. These are the small little sample sizes they have. Now, before we actually get into what's inside the box, I did want to get into my preference of fragrances or perfumes. I really like a light perfume. Like, I don't like it to be, you know, too heavy. Like, I like a nice fresh scent, like nothing too heavy. Like, I don't know if y'all smell White Diamond before, but definitely nothing like that. So these are all the perfumes. It does come with a $15 off little card. It has a code in the back, which is like awesome for any $40 purchase, because the full size bottles will probably be like $40 to $60. This is the perfume bottle, the extra little gift they have in there, which is so cool because you can like throw it in your purse and refill it whenever you want to. And it's a pretty little rose gold color. Like, who would not want one of those? Like, it's so cute. You can hold it in your hand. Like, it's so lightweight, and again, you can always refill it, and you can see the bottom too, which is awesome. And y'all, I must say my favorites are the Dolce&Gabbana light blue, the Givenchy, and the Marc Jacobs. They smell so fresh, so lightweight. Please don't let the sample size fool y'all. Like, a little goes a long way with these bottles. Like, you can get a lot of sprays out of it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.